So on this video, I will show you how you can send money to your family and friend. On this video, I will show you 3 ways that you can use to send money to your family and friend. You just need to watch this video because at the end, you are going to choose the best apps that you can use to start sending money to your family and friend. So you can see on the screen here, this is the first website, which is called Sendwave. Sendwave is an app that allows you to send money to your family and friend. They have an app on Google Play Store. All you just have to do is to click the first link below this video, and it's going to take you to Sendwave, and you are going to sign up with your Gmail account, your first name and last name. You verify your account. Once you have created your account, you have to log into your Sendwave account, verify your ID. They are going to verify your valid ID. So once you are done with this, then you are good to start sending money to anyone all over the world. So one thing that I want you to pay attention to, you need to make sure that you are using the real app, which is called Sendwave. There is some app that is just called Send. There is no wave at the end. Just be careful because of scammers. You don't want to fall in the hands of scammers. That is why I said you should use the link in the description so that it will take you directly to Sendwave website, like what you are seeing on the screen here. So let us say, for example, you have downloaded the application and you want to start sending money. It's very simple. You can use it either from your web browser, just like I am doing now, or you can use it through your smartphone. You can see they have a smartphone version of their application, and you can still use it on the web. So let us say now that you want to start sending money. All you just need to do here, you will see the part where you say you should select the country where you want to send from. You can click here and select the country. Let us say I want to send from France, and I will just search for France here, type in France, and let us say, okay, we want to send to Nigeria. You can just click here too, and you can type in Nigeria, and it's going to pop up here, and you are going to select Nigeria. And the next thing, you have to enter the amount of money you want to send. Let us say we want to send like 200 euros, and it will be letting us know that the person that we are going to send this money to is going to receive 270,320 naira in Nigeria, which is the rate is a little bit high, which is something good. And that is just what I'm just talking about here. So you can go and try this application, which is called Sendwave. So that is how you can send money. Once you enter all those information, because I am not logged in, that is why you are seeing there's nothing like send here. But if I have logged into my own account, it will take me to the process where I'm going to like enter the details of the receiver, and I will just click on send and make the payment. So they are supported by MasterCard, Visa card, debit card. So that is how you can pay if you want to send the money. So let us move to the second way that you can use to send money to your family and friend. So you can see the second app that you can use to send money to your family and friend, which is called transfergo. Transfergo is an application that allows you to send money to your family and friends, and they are very fast and reliable. I have been using transfergo, and it's something that I really want you guys to try and use it to start sending money to your family and friend. The first thing you have to do on transfergo is to install the application. Click on the second link below this video. It will take you to transfergo. Install the application and register your own account. Once you are done with that, you can start sending money to your family and friend. One thing I like about transfergo is that they are very reliable and they are very fast. Like once you send the money, they will receive the money within 20 seconds. Like I sent money one time, within 10 seconds, they just told me that the money had been delivered to the receiver. So that is one thing I like about transfergo. Transfergo is very fast, and you can send money to up to 160 countries, which is almost all over the whole world. That is something that is really good, and everyone is looking for this type of app to start sending money to their family and friend. You know, when you are sending money to your family and friend, it's very difficult nowadays. So you are working, and the time you want to go to bank and make all those deposit and payments is really difficult, and we don't have time for all these other things. But with this application transfergo, you can do that now. You don't need to go to any bank. You don't need to even go to any office. You don't need to talk to anybody. All you just need to do is to use transfergo, register with the link in the description, and follow the process of how you can start sending money to your family and friend. And how you can make the payment if you want to send money to anyone is with debit card or MasterCard. So once you have all those things, you are good to go. And they have an options, like they have two options. They have cash pickup and they have the bank deposit. That is the two options they have that you can use to send money to your family and friends. Bank transfer is when you send the money to someone who have a particular bank that is available in Nigeria and they are going to receive the money in their bank account. Cash pickup is like Western Union, when you are sending money to anyone, just like you use Western Union, and they are going to give you a particular code and you give them the code. They are going to go to any nearest bank around them and they are going to redeem the money. So that is how you can send money with this application, which is called transfergo. It's very, very good. I have used it and I don't want to just tell you that you should go and use it. It's something that I've used, but you can decide if it's something that you want to pick among the three of them on this video once you watch everything. So to start sending money, all you just need to do here now is to enter the price. Let us say we want to send money now. You can just click here, select from the country you want to send from. Want to send from Germany, click on that, and here you want to send to Nigeria. So you can come and enter the amount of money you want to send. Let us want to send 200 euros to Nigeria, and you can see that our receiver is going to get 274,000 naira, 611 naira in Nigeria. So that is the rate that they have currently right now. And if we are good to go, we just click on get started here, and it's going to take you to this page asking you to log in, or you should create your account if you have not created your account. And once you enter all those information that they ask from you, then you can complete the payment you can just complete the payment and the money will be sent to your receiver. So that is how you can use transfergo to start sending money to your family and friends. It's very, very reliable and simple. So let us move to the third way that you can use to start sending money to your family and friends. So the third way that we can start using to send money to our family and friend is this application, this website, which is called Remitly. Remitly is an application or a website that allows you to send money to your family and friend. Send money online with Remitly. It's very, very good and it's fast. You can see transfer money internationally across 100 plus countries with different currencies, with no hiding fees. So I don't just take my word for it. Just go and try it out. Like I said, before you start sending money, try at least with $50 to $100 to see if the company is something that you really want to rely on to start using to send money to your family and friend. So that is one thing that I want you to understand here. Remitly will allow you to send money to anyone all over the world. So they are supported by a lot of countries. So all you just need to do is to just try out Remitly, using them to send money to your family and friends. Remitly is very, very good, and I just started using it a few days ago, and it's something that have helped me when I wanted to send money fast to one of my friends. So to start sending money, all you just need to do here now, where you are sending money from, we can say, okay, want to send from France. You can select your country here, and at the bottom here, you can select where you want the money to land. Let's also want to send to like Nigeria. We can just enter Nigeria here, like from France here and to Nigeria. So once we are okay, select France and Nigeria, and you click on the part where it said get started. So once I click on get started here, it's going to take us to this page. Then all we just need to do is to enter the amount of money that we want to send. Let us say I want to send 100 euros to Nigeria. It's going to be letting us to know that the person that we are going to send this money to is going to receive 142,000 naira, 272 naira. So that is the amount they are going to get when you send money to anyone using this website, which is called Remitly. So when you look at the fee that they are charging you to just send 100 euros or $100 is zero fee, which means they are not charging you to send money to anyone. So what we need to do now is to calculate the rate of each one of this website. Let us just choose the one that is the best. So on Remitly, we are going to say we want to send 200 euros. Let us say we want to send 200 euros to the receiver in Nigeria. You can see that on Remitly, they are letting us to know that we are going to send 200 euros and our receiver is going to get 286,000 naira 546 naira in Nigeria. So let us go to transfergo to see the amount of money. No, why I'm doing this is the rate. So with this, you can calculate the rate of the one that is good, and you are going to use it. So why I say you should create each one of these websites that you can use to send money to your family and friends. If Remitly rate is very high, you can go and use transfergo. If transfergo rate is high, you can go and use sendwave. So let us go now. You can see the amount here, and let us go transfergo. On transfergo, let us say we are sending 200 euros. So 200 euros on transfergo, the rate is low. The rate in transfergo is low from Remitly. Remitly is 286,000 naira plus, and on transfergo is 274,000 naira. Let us go and see that on sendwave. So this is sendwave, and here we enter 200 euros. You can see the rate of 200 euros in sendwave, which means sendwave is the poorest one here. So when you compare these three websites, you can see that Remitly is the one that we have to use. It's the one that have the highest rate. So it's the one that we have to use to send money if we want to send money now. Remitly is saying that our receiver is going to receive 286,000 naira. Transfergo is telling us 274,000 naira, and sendwave is telling us 270,000 naira, which for me is very, very low for sendwave. And the second point is transfergo, and Remitly is the top G here. So you can decide any one that you want to use after you have watched this video. So I will just say thank you very much for watching this video to the end. And only what I will ask from you is to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media networks. And I will say thank you very much. And if you want to learn how you can make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video that will pop up right now. And you can just follow the link in the description to join all these applications that you can start using to send money to your family and friends. I will see you on my next upcoming video.